Okay, so yesterday I did a post-war helmet chin strap, and today I'm doing a World War II helmet chin strap. This is an infantry chin strap. So you have the J-hook side, I call this the short side, and you have the long side with the buckle and the end keeper. Alright, so what we're going to do, the way that these install is they are sewn on. So what you do is you go from the outside, not like this, but like this, the outside in, and at about 3/4 of an inch or so, you fold it over again. So what you're doing is you're going through, you're folding the webbing, and then you're folding it over itself and over the chin strap loop. Now it's ready to stitch. Now I have a bartacker. You may need to use a sewing machine, or possibly take it somewhere, or hand stitch. But this is what the bartacker does. There you have it. So let's do the long side quick. The long side, you turn the strap like this. Same idea. So you turn the strap like this, it goes through, you fold it, then you fold it over itself and over the chin strap loop, and then I put it in the bartacker. You may have to hand stitch. Here we go. Now, when you buy these from us, you do have an option to get it pre-bartacked. However, you have to figure out how to get it on here. So if you're doing a major restoration, that might be a possibility for you. That's it.